Every great product deserves great packaging to stand out from the crowd. We create stunning pouches that work to promote your brand. Rinpac Company Limited, located in Shenzhen, China, is a professional supplier of flexible packagings like Mylar bags, stand-up pouches, craft paper bags, aluminum foil bags, and roll films. Simply show us your product, and we'll work with you to choose the packaging that best suits your needs. For materials, we have plastic, metallized foil, craft paper, and hologram ones. For printing, we have full glossy, full matte, spot UV, foil stamping options. No need to afraid full custom packaging need a big minimum order quantity. Actually, we love to help small businesses to grow. We simplify the process to save you time and money, so you can focus on delivering a great product. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. Our products are made by a series of advanced equipment, including printing machine, laminating machine, slitting machine, curing room, and bag-making machine. We are exporting to clients in countries and regions like the United States, Canada, Sweden, France, Germany, Netherlands, United Kingdom, South Africa, Australia, Japan, Brazil. From the initial design to production and delivery, we'll stand by your side every step of the way. Contact us to order your custom packaging solution today.